This is our first experience with using the Hipcamp app, and we are now just a few miles, 3 or 4 miles west of Pensacola, Florida. This Hipcamp took us to M&A Sweet Retreat, which is actually a place in the backyard of a private residence, and they allowing us to stay in their backyard. And we came through that gate up there in front of my truck, and this is their back patio area. And then as we come around this is where we have our hookups. We've got water and electric. Come around here, and looks like they had a 40-pound regulator on there, so that was good. And then the electricity, they had a 50-amp hookup, so I had to use my adapter. This is my power surge protector, and we got 2 yellow lights lit on that. You probably can't see it, but for $35 a night, we're going to spend the weekend in Pensacola. Jan's inside getting ready, and we're going to head out. I think go to the Sunset Grill right on Perdido Bay and check out some mahi tacos.